Yo, we're back in the van, and today I'm gonna be putting in some new flooring in my van. I've laid a few pieces down. This is basically what it looks like. And I got some of the harder pieces done. I had to make some templates to get it all the way to the corner. So we're gonna work our way this way. Let's see what it looks like. Whew. So I finished the bottom of the floor, got all these parts done. I'm gonna end up gluing or screwing this stuff down. This is in there pretty good. But this will be screwed down. I'm gonna put a cover over this as well. And then, so next I'm gonna insulate these and cover them with the same paneling. So I finished the floor, the bottom of it, and I started on the wheel wells. I finished this side, got it all insulated, but I'm gonna finish it with the wood flooring and basically be done with the floor from there. Peace. So I finished up the wheel wells. Didn't go exactly how I planned, but there they are. They look pretty good. But what I did is I started cutting these pieces. See how they're nice and long, and then I realized I was running out. Kind of had to improvise. There's a sideways piece, and then these are kind of different lengths, but they all run long ways. Same as over here. Here's the back ends. Got one piece like that. There's that. But yeah, so I would buy more to get it right, but I bought this at the bargain bin at Ollie's and they ran out. So this whole floor cost me 70 bucks. Not too bad. So I'm gonna start my next video. I'm gonna do the walls. I'm gonna start with this one. So yeah, come and watch the next vid. Peace out, guys.